Student, we have question number 2 from book exercise 12a, page number 305. I am reading the statement. Draw an angle BAC of 56 degree. Construct the angle bisector of BAC. So in the book it is given. So I am writing for you BAC is equals to, I am taking 76 degree. In the book it is given 56 degree. I am taking 76 for your practice. So BAC, this cap or head means angle. They are talking about angle A. After that you have to see angle A is equals to 76 degree we have to draw or we have to construct. For this we have to do some steps of construction. The first step, to draw a line, straight line. For that straight line we need 2 points. So it is 0. I am giving a point dot here and marking, and in front of 10 I am putting a dot. So I am taking 10 centimeter. Join them with a straight line and remove your scale. Now you have to see it is angle A. So it means that I have to take this point A and this point C. So this angle A 76 degree we have to construct or draw here. For that we have to use protractor. So keep the center and hide this baseline or the line segment. This time we are having this reference of line segment. So we will read this angle. Which one scale? Inner scale. 0, 10, 20, 30. And what do we have to do? 76. Now start reading from here. Anti-clockwise. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 76 means it is 75. You can check. After that there is a dot in front of that, and then you have to remove your protractor. Now you have to join them with the help of a straight line. Join them, and student, you must need to sharp the edge of your pencil. It should be a pointed tip. Now we have to construct angle bisector of 76 degree. So we need to use pair of compass. Compass, you have to see. Here I have fixed color pencil, but you have to use normal or regular pencil. Why? Because so that my student can easily see arcs here. Now for angle bisector, this is half. We have to open or expand the arms less than half and fix it in this way. If you are righty, you can use right hand. If you are lefty, you can use your left hand. Students, here I am using both hands so that you can easily see from my camera or video. Just for recording purpose, I will change my hands as well if it is required. Now the first arc and the second one done. And student, remember, you will, for the next 2 arcs you will not change the arc length. This should be remain same as it is. Now I am using right hand so that you can see through my camera or video. Now you will not change the arc length. It is same as we have done. Now make another arc. Arc number 3. Now from the previous arc you have to make another arc, and now you have to remove it. Now you can give it shape. It is BAC. Now this is the name you have to give. D, E, and point of intersection where both arcs are joining or intersecting. This is intersection point. So you can give name F. Now the next step. Take a ruler and you have to join this point of intersection with A with the help of a straight line and then remove it. Now as we have to draw angle bisector, we need to use protractor once again, and then you have to keep here and you have to check exactly the center, and then the baseline you have to hide it. Okay students, now it is very important, you have to check yourself whether it is exactly on this dot and the baseline is hidden or not, because these are very small division when you are checking or reading. Have a look. Now we are taking this baseline. So for this baseline or line segment, we have to read which scale, student? This one scale. Just have a look. Now for this scale, we have to fix it again and hide your baseline and then start reading 0, 10, 20, 30, 35, 76, and you can see the half of 76 is 38. So you can have a look, it is exactly 38 and it is 76. So it proves that this is the angle bisector that we have drawn is 38 degree, and this one is also 38 degree. Here you have to mention all points, arc and angle bisector. Here you cannot remake again and again, that is wrong, and you cannot make fake arcs. You have to use sharp edge of your pencil, neat and clean, protractor, and with the help of ruler you can draw all these. I hope you have understood the way how to construct an angle bisector, and you will use this technique in your next questions from the textbook or workbook. Thank you so much.